Introducing Edge, the latest technology in towing and trailering, allowing you to control your Tekonsha Prodigy ID brake controller with an app on your smartphone. With Edge, you can easily set power output, adjust boost, store numerous trailer profiles, and much more. To begin, simply download the free Tekonsha Edge app from Google Play or the App Store to your phone or mobile device. Once installed, create an account and sign in. Now you can connect your Prodigy ID brake controller to the app. To connect, or sync the two, you'll need to be close to your brake controller with the unit turned on and the app open on your phone. At the top of the home screen, you'll see a section that says Products in Range, with a product named with a unique identifier. Select this option, and the app will open the details of the product. Press Connect to this product. You'll then be asked to create a 6-digit passcode to make your brake controller unique to the app. Once entered, the app will attempt to connect to the brake controller. When complete, the two will be synced and ready to program. Next, you'll be prompted to add a trailer. Enter the requested information in each of the steps to add in the type of hitching system you have, your trailer's weight, the trailer's tongue weight, the trailer's length, the number of axles on the trailer, and whether the trailer has electric or electric over hydraulic brakes. Pressing the Continue button on the bottom as you go. Once you're done inputting the information, confirm the details and they will be stored in the app under the custom name you give to that trailer. At this point, the app will take you to the output dial screen, where you can finish inputting settings unique to your brake controller for each trailer, like output voltage, boost setting, brightness of the display, controller type, and reverse mode. All of these, as well as brake type and connection status, can be monitored from the output dial screen. Because of the Edge technology, when the app and the Prodigy ID are paired, any adjustments made to the settings in the app will automatically be sent to the brake controller, and vice versa, while simultaneously being saved under that respective trailer or driver setting in the app. To set power output, use the plus or minus buttons to make your adjustments. Tap Update as you move through the settings to save them. Next, choose the boost setting you wish to use. Adjust the brightness for the LED display on your manual knob. Select between proportional or timed braking. And activate your reverse mode as needed. If you want to switch to another trailer already in the app, or add another trailer, tap the trailer button and make your selection. Then follow the previous steps. As you change between trailers in the app, you'll notice that the settings associated with each change too. If there is ever a fault in the system, you will receive an alert notification, letting you know that there is something in the system you need to address. You will have to dismiss the alert, or learn more about it, before you can return to the output dial screen. Any notification that is dismissed can be reopened by tapping the alert icon on the app. Any unresolved notifications will also be indicated by a red triangle at the top of the power output dial. Unresolved notifications can also be found in the Alert Center when you learn more about the alert, or through the Support Center at the bottom of the home screen. A log of all alerts is also available here. If you ever need to troubleshoot an issue, you can find the info under the Support tab. The Support Center contains a wealth of information to make your towing experience with Edge technology and the Prodigy ID the best it can possibly be. You can always learn more about your product and how to use it under the Learn How to Use icon. Once you're done towing, close completely out of the app and it will disconnect from the brake controller. Controlling your Prodigy ID brake controller with the app with Edge technology gives you complete control in the palm of your hand, making brake controller and trailer settings as easy as sending a text. For more information on the app with Edge technology, the Prodigy ID, and other great Tekonsha products, visit tekonsha.com.